Hello everyone, and welcome to a professional DevOps learning channel with DevOps engineer Luis. In today's video, we're going to learn how to deploy war applications in Tomcat Server using MobaXTerm. Search up aws.amazon.com. Click on Create an AWS account or sign in. Enter your email in the root user's email and the account name in AWS account name. Click on Verify User. Click on Verify Email Address. Copy the code sent to your email and verify your email. Create a password. Enter your private details. Click on Search and search EC2. Click on EC2. Click on the instances on the menu on the left. Select your Maven instance. Select your Tomcat instance. Click on the checkbox to see the public IP address for the Maven server. Click on this checkbox to see the public IP address for the Tomcat server. Open MobaXTerm. Click on Sessions. Select SSH. Paste the IP address in the remote host. Click on Specify Username. Enter your username, preferably EC2-user. Click on Advanced SSH Settings. Click the checkbox near Use Private Key. Click the Documents icon and select your private key. Click on Accept. Do the same thing for your Tomcat server or your Maven server, depending on which server you did first. Go to your Tomcat server, verify, start your Tomcat, start Tomcat, then verify if Tomcat is working by curl IP address and port number. Go to your Maven server. Build your Maven web application using nvn package. cd into your target directory. Click on the file ending with .pem. Oh, create a file ending with .pem. Copy everything written within the key used for your Tomcat server. Paste everything within the file that you have created. Paste everything within the file that you have created. Click on Escape key on the keyboard and Shift ZZ. Change the permission for the file you have created to 400 using chill mode, like chill mode 400 tomcat.perm or the file name .pem. Enter the command scp dash enter the command scp dash I file name .pem star war ec2 dash user at Tomcat server IP address colon opt slash tomcat 9 slash web apps and type yes. Search http colon slash slash server IP address colon colon port number to verify if Tomcat is running. Click on Manager app on the right hand side of the screen. Click enter the username and the password that we have created in the previous video. If you haven't seen that, please click on the I that will appear. Congrats, you have now deployed your war application server. War application. Once done with the instance, please don't forget to stop your instance because AWS will charge you. Congratulations on watching the full video. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you have any questions, please comment it in the comment section down below. I'll see you all in the next video as you continue your DevOps Lane journey with DevOps Lewis.